Transitional words are words or phrases that help connect ideas and improve the flow of your writing. They act as linkers, guiding your reader from one idea to the next in a smooth and logical way. Common examples of transitional words include however, therefore, in addition, and on the other hand. These words serve different functions, such as indicating contrast, showing cause and effect, or introducing examples. One benefit of using transitional words is that they make your writing more cohesive and coherent. They create a sense of unity and help your audience follow along with your ideas. Transitional words also make your writing easier to read and understand. They help readers navigate your text, clarifying relationships between different points. Furthermore, transitional words can enhance the overall organization of your writing. By using them strategically, you can create a clear and logical structure for your ideas. Moreover, transitional words can make your arguments more persuasive and compelling. They provide a framework for presenting evidence and help emphasize key points. Additionally, using transitional words can help you avoid repetitiveness and monotony in your writing. They introduce variety and keep your readers engaged by adding a sense of rhythm and flow to your sentences. Transitional words are especially useful when writing essays, research papers, and other academic or formal documents. They add sophistication and professionalism to your writing style. Moreover, transitional words can be helpful in everyday communication, such as in business emails or presentations. They can make your ideas more organized and coherent, leaving a positive impression on your audience. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who simply wants to improve their writing, learning and using transitional words is highly beneficial. They can elevate the quality of your work and make your writing more effective and impactful. In conclusion, transitional words play a vital role in connecting ideas, improving the flow, and enhancing overall coherence in your writing.